Okay. It's January 12th. We had another snowstorm. Here. Now that's shoveled on my door. Back to the door here. See? Bobby! Bobby! I'm just gonna take Bobby. Oh, Bobby. Going to play. Snow.
Shh, don't scare me.
Hi, babe.
I saw someone walk by.
I just scared you. I'm cold.
I saw someone walk by. I didn't know what the hell it was, so I keep walking over. I see you creeping around the corner.
I see. I have to take a picture of Bobby. Look, he's peeing.
Why?
He's peeing in the snow. Hope it's not pooping.
It's not inside.
Okay, you're done? Oh, it's just peeing. Okay. Don't worry to cover it. No, no, no. No, we will shuffle it more. Maybe if that's enough because it's still gonna drift in. Ah, okay. You finished that part.
Just gonna go inside, babe. Put salt.
I'm starting the champurrado.
I'm probably gonna put salt
Chocolate.
on the ramp. That's it.
What?
Just salt the ramp. That's it. So it's not slippery.
The salt? Yeah. Where? Yeah, you can do that.
Picture the front.
Alright. It's really okay. You finished that one, and it's good. Our neighbor did plowed it. Oh, very good. See, it's good. They opens the driveway. That's too thick. Yeah, That's good. Gonna have a snowbank. Yeah, just finish that one. Don't mind the front. Oh, there's my laptop. Okay, I'm going home now. It's windy and cold. Okay, Bobby, let's go in. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. I can't see you.